There's no way that's royal.
Shapeshifters.
Shapeshifters?
Look, look.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
People that turn into
What it? Yo.
Hey, did you say what?
Yo, that was.
I fucking smoked both my legs, can't we? Put your right hand right through it. No, just not.
Go on, Harry, give it a whack.
Yeah, I'm ready with it. You're a fucking elbow. Fucking elbow. What is that? That's what I'm saying, oh man. Not this.
Give it a good one.
I don't get it. It's what about you, it's it.
Right, Josh, move.
Sorry.
Listen, go on the camera.
Fuck off.
Oh, I turned off.
Who's got next to Yeah, it's fine, dude.
Oh!
Come on.
I'll steam that.
No?
Oh,
Belt it.
oh,
Go!
what?
Yeah, look at this. It's just going to get all of them now. It's going to get all of them now.
See, when shit like that happens, though, you can't do it. Okay, but welcome back.
No.
Yeah, just take
Hey, up.
Oh, these are heavy ones. His fingers go. Oh my.
Oh, that's a steamer. Throw it backwards. Oh, I think what the fuck? We'll be passing that. Throw it like a fucking rugby ball.
Oh shit. How do I do that?
What?
What the fuck?
What? Oh! Oh my god!
Let's go now.
Oh my.
Ain't that good,
I was just doing that, yeah, because that one normally stays up.
Yeah!
Man, make up flag, get a simple strike.
Go on then. Oh! Oh!
Oh my god!
The easiest work on the planet. Oh!
For Bradford boys, show what we're at. Halifax bowling mush. Get it in.
What?
Whoa! That's going down.
Look at you. Steam it.
Oh!
Oh!
Okay.
I ain't cheating.
There's 20 now?
Way! Way! Oh, you see the curl on that?
It's the show and it's brutal, man. Because the fucking floor's not straight. The floor, after it, and it's the bit.
Yeah, lower strike.
Oh! Oh, that's actually so close. Fucking cool.
Fucking strike. Hey, you can't get to it, sucker. Oh, shit. Oh, that's what was.
Yeah, I don't need fucking.
Yeah, I don't know where you get with it, to be honest.
What are you doing? Oh! 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 Wait, it's turn already.
Wait, he got one. He got one.
Wait, how did I get one?
Go on, Harry.
You hit the floor bit hard. Yeah, no wonder ball's not going straight. It's because it fucking comes like that in flow.
Oh, bastard.
Oh! Big knife. How many cheers?
Which is the heavy one?
Yeah,
Number 12. Oh, 16.
right.
Right, I read that strip ceiling.
Wait a minute, strike the back.
Hey, get some. Oh my god, he got it! Shit, cool.
Yeah, I'm just ridiculous. I'm a fucking.
Make sure you get your balls out.
Let me get them out, son.
Get your nuts out.
Nah, I've got the spare.
Give it a magic rub, yeah?
Shit out.
I'm shit. I'm on 35, I don't care.
Oh, that's the last shot.
Yeah, but she gets scared now.
Shit's so late.
She gets, oh my god, she's
There's no way.
Yeah, fucking strike.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Wouldn't you freak?
Rich, you just keep going.
No, you might as well make you fucking roof go.
Here we go.
He's got it.
Got a strike. Strike. Fuck off.
And all the voices in my head wanna play.
If I had my job, be fucking bitches with my monster. I was a person.
It's crash. If they crash, I'd laugh my arse off.
No, we're not. We're not getting it.
We're getting him.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Lights, camera, action.
Oh, they've dusted anyways.
They get a wage and a brick infraction. Cause like boys, they never get sanctioned. What?
Oh, Michael Myers! What is this? Stupid.
It would be entertaining if they ended like after like round 2.
2-round fight. That's right.
Bro, like who even cares about
It'd have been more entertaining if it hadn't come on.
He's crying about his throat. Yeah. I'll
send you out a ring.
Royal Rumble.
Almost did a Rey Mysterio through the ropes then just.
Oh, good. Fuck Dean the phony.
Fuck this pink
Fuck
guy.
Dean the cunt.
You're getting back out at ring.
Phony bastard.
It's violation of
Hell in a cell.
Last man standing.
Yeah, go swinging at a security guard.
That's one that choked him
That's
out.
what the fuck we talking about.
Your referee
Yeah, can they just start fighting or what?
Innit? Get involved.
Yeah.
Oh!
My God!
Whoa!
Whoa, what's happening at LSI?
Whoa!
NSI, what's happening?
What happened to the black man?
We got hit in the back of the head.
I don't know, innit? Some white boy. Yeah, do they want to shag each other or? Oh, right, that's it. Flying knee now.
Oh, man, this...
Look at this, bro. We're not taking points off.
What is the fucking ref doing? Wake up, ref.
For that. We're not taking fucking points off for that.
Wake the fuck up, you blind cunt. I don't even care who wins this fight. I just hope that ref gets knocked the fuck out.
Bro, Red's rubbing the